Today I would like to share with you the train automation system by 4DBrix, where you have a train, you have a microcontroller that can have 4 ports and that is connected via a USB port to a computer, and from this port you are connecting motors, servo motors that can control the switches, and you can have lights, and you can also have train sensors that detect when a train is passing. So this is a little demonstration. It's very simple. Once the train goes round the track, it will take one of the tracks and the second time around the other track. So let's give that a try. So green is to go left, and then the train passes the sensor, and now we're going to turn right. Passes the sensor, the switches go, the light switches, and that's how it goes. And on the computer screen you can see when the sensor actually triggers the event for changing the light and changing the switches. So this is only the basic starter kit. This is as much as what you can get out of the basic starter kit. For the next steps, you would need to have a controller that actually controls the train for it to stop, for example, at a red traffic light. But that requires an extra brick that then can be controlled over Wi-Fi. So that will be my next step. But for now, I'm really happy with this setup, and I think this product from 4DBrix is making trains just much more interactive. So thumbs up for that.